Elon Musk has very good news for Cybertruck and Semi fans. Tesla CEO just opened the electric vehicle maker's fourth production plant at Giga Texas and has a very good news for Cybertruck and Tesla Semi fans. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here visiting first time to our webpage, please subscribe to our channel and help us to reach our goal of having 100,000 subscribers. We would greatly appreciate it. So, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has just inaugurated the latest Tesla factory in Austin, Texas, known as Giga Texas. This production Gigafactory is the fourth manufacturing and assembly plant for Tesla vehicles, and it is also the second in production in the United States after Fremont in California. You know that Tesla also has a facility in New York, but it is not for cars. On this occasion, Elon Musk made many promises, but there is one that will undoubtedly stick with each other. It concerns the Cybertruck. This futuristic pickup truck announced by Tesla in 2019, but whose production has been postponed several times, is eagerly awaited. By dint of seeing Musk push back its production, some have started to wonder if it will finally see the light of day. The billionaire finally seems to say that it will. Here's what Elon Musk said about the Cybertruck. We're going to start manufacturing Cybertruck next year, Musk announced to the 15,000 people who were invited at the very much desired event in Austin. Cybertruck is coming next year. We'll be in production with Cybertruck next year, the billionaire repeated. I believe Elon Musk in this case because now Tesla already has the Gigafactory, has Giga Berlin in place, so lots of production capacity, and also has the ability to manufacture its own 4680 batteries, which I think are going to be used at Cybertruck. He added also, I can't wait to have this baby around, meaning the Cybertruck. Cybertruck is gonna be epic, Musk commented about the electric pickup truck. Cybertruck will be made in Austin at Giga Texas, Musk confirmed. Now, Cybertruck will compete with the Ford Lightning electric pickup, an electric version of Ford's best-selling F-150. This vehicle will also compete with GMC Hammer electric pickup and Rivian's R1T. Musk unveiled the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck electric pickup truck back in late 2019 and then promised that production would begin in 2021. Last year, the release date was postponed, as with all Tesla car models, the first copies of the Tesla Cybertruck were supposed to be available at some point this year. Elon Musk had said the futuristic vehicle design was influenced partly by The Spy Who Loved Me, a reference to the amphibious Lotus Esprit S1 featured in the 1977 James Bond film. During the fourth quarter earnings call in January, he said, as for the Cybertruck, Semi, Roadster, Optimus will be ready to bring those to production, hopefully next year. This is most likely. In Austin, Musk announced that Tesla will begin the production of the Roadster and Semi in 2023. So lots of exciting things are going to come to Tesla in 2023, with especially Cybertruck and Tesla Semi production, which are going to be revolutionary in the automotive industry. Cybertruck for the pickup lovers and the Semi for clearing our roads from environmentally harmful gas and diesel semi trucks. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you believe Cybertruck will come? Have you ordered the Cybertruck? Are you ordering now because of this announcement? Are you ready to wait another year? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and help us to reach 100,000 subscribers. Please, I would greatly appreciate it by subscribing to our channel. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with you and to the world. And I'll see you soon in our next report today. Here is my next update from Tesla Giga Berlin Cyber Rodeo event. Look what we have. This Giga Giga Texas 4680 batteries shared by Sandy Monroe on his Twitter page are wholly manufactured by Tesla. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan coming from TalkNews.com. If you are here the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news, unique news, and help us to reach our goal of 100,000 subscribers, please. We're about 70,000 and we would like to get to 100,000. So it seems like when it comes to the new 4680 batteries, Tesla has stayed with side cooling instead of cooling from the bottom. Can you confirm that if you guys see it from a different way, or in case you are from Giga Texas opening from Cyber Rodeo event? These batteries are displayed there, and tomorrow I have a very unique report about the new range of Model Y thanks to these 4680 batteries. Well, let's take a look at these batteries, friends. Isn't it interesting that these 4680 batteries look exactly like AA batteries? Look, they are the same cylindrical shape, but the 46s are larger. Some of you may think that these 4680 Tesla batteries were supposed to be tabless, and isn't that a tab on top? The tab was on the inside of the battery, not the outside. The 4680 batteries remove having a single lead, the tab, to connect the cathode and anode to the battery terminals I was explained. In any case, these new Tesla batteries that are today displayed at Tesla Giga Texas and wholly developed and manufactured by Tesla don't disappoint, in my opinion. What about you? Can't wait to hear some actual specifics of the pack and capability. We'll put some of the puzzle together for the Cybertruck, and I will put some of the puzzle together tomorrow when I announce the range of the Model Y, because some of my friends have sent me some images that show the new range thanks to these 4680 batteries of the Model Y. Now, I wonder what is the purpose of having those specs in the middle. Look at them. Anybody here has any ideas? Let me know in the comment section, please. So hours ago, Tesla Giga Texas displayed Tesla's new structural battery pack for the 4680 battery cells for Model Y, and it's going viral. Look how the battery pack size went from the old one to the current structural pack for the 4680 cells. I knew structural pack was a breakthrough, but this small, this light, Tesla's Giga Texas built Model Y will equip the company's structural battery pack and revolutionary 4680 cells, CEO Elon Musk confirmed on the company's Q4 2021 earnings call. Elon confirmed that Tesla has been building many Model Y units at Gigafactory Texas already, even in January, in recent days as the factory neared production approval. Upon updating listeners that Tesla would begin deliveries of the Tesla-built Model Y during the Q1 earnings call, when the vehicle receives an approval certification, Musk then in January confirmed that the 4680 battery cells and structured battery pack system would be used in vehicles built in Gigafactory Texas. And voila, we have now the 4680s displayed at Gigafactory Texas, and you're looking at that. The vehicles parked in front of the Cybertruck at today's Cyber Rodeo grand opening appear to be Model Ys, likely the new version that will be made at Giga Texas with the new 4680 battery cells and structural battery pack designs. So what do you think, friends, about this new 4680 battery cells? I think they're going to be revolutionary and change Tesla's Model Y range, give Cybertruck more range because they are more energy dense and can have more power and give therefore more range. You agree with that? This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for tomorrow's news, because I'm going to bring you the range information, and also help us please to reach 100,000 subscribers. Every subscription counts. I greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of the day and see what I have for you next.